It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here. Today we're rewriting expressions in radical form. A radical is anything containing a root bar. The most common one you've probably seen is the square root bar. But you can also have radicals that look like this, or even this. So how do we make root bars look like that? So let's start with this. A to the power of m over n. All right, here is the rule for converting bases with fractional exponents into radical form. So the denominator of our fraction always goes in the check mark. In this case, it's the n. Underneath the root bar goes our base, and our base is raised to the numerator of our exponent. That's that every single time. So let's try with an example. So we have 54 to the power of 1/6. In the check mark goes our 6. 54 goes under the root bar and it's raised to the power of 1. Now you may recall me telling you in other videos that math people do not like writing extra numbers. So 54 to the power of 1 would never be written that way. It would just be written as 54. So this is your best answer. All right, let's try another. We have 5 to the power of half. All right, that 2 goes in the check mark, the 5 goes under the root bar, and we have a power of 1. Now, this is an exception to the rule, and that is because this is the most common type of root. This is the square root. So it's completely correct to write it the way that we did. But again, wanting to be efficient, we tend to write only square roots, roots that would have a 2 in the check mark as just the root bar. And then 5 to the power of 1 is 5. So this would be the best, simplest answer, but both are correct. Finally, let's try one that has a numerator value other than 1. So we're going to use the variable m as our base, and we are going to raise this to the power of 8 divided by 9. Here we go. Into the check mark goes our denominator of our fraction, which is 9. M goes under the root bar and it is raised to the power of 8. And this is our most simplified version. Thank you for rewriting expressions in radical form with me. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember,